Hello student, today we are going to learn chapter number 16 pattern for standard
means
mathematics.
total 60 family gave
First
medicine as aid.
is geometrical pattern. Now geometrical pattern means there is a use of triangle, square, rectangle, half circle, circle in the given pattern. Therefore it is called geometrical pattern. Now see some example. Study the designs shown below. Observe the pattern of geometrical shape. In these two patterns, there is a use of geometrical shapes. Now we know the geometrical shapes: triangle, circle, square, rectangle, half circle. These are geometrical shapes. Now see first diagram. Here in this first diagram or first example, we have use a triangle, then use half circle, then use circle. Means this is a gate, this picture of gate. In this picture there use geometrical shapes: triangle, half circle and circle. Now see second picture. In this picture there is use of triangle. See, these are triangles, and here use a square. Here use first 1 2 3 4 5 square, then 4 5 4. This is a pattern. Here use a pattern. Here above and below use triangles, and in the middle there is a pattern of square: 5 square, then 4 5 and 4. Now depending upon geometrical shapes we solve exercise on page number 87. Complete the pattern given below. See, in this pattern there is two square, then diamond shape. Above and below there are two square shapes, then diamond in the middle, then again two diamond shapes above and below this line, and then diamond shape, then again two this square, then diamond, two square, then again diamond, then above and below square, then again diamond shape, then again square, again diamond shape, again two square, and then diamond shape. Understood pattern? Now see second example. Here on above and below triangle, and in the middle rectangle, circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle, circle. Now we complete this pattern. We first draw triangles. And below also we draw triangle. We have to complete this pattern. Therefore we draw triangle to complete this pattern. Then rectangle, circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle, circle, again rectangle, then circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle, circle, again rectangle. Understood? And these are geometrical shapes. Now we solve exercise on this page number 87. First question. Make a pattern by placing any geometrical shapes one in front of the other. We have to make pattern by using any geometrical shapes. Now we know that geometrical shapes: triangle, circle, square, rectangle, half circle. We can use any geometrical shapes and make a pattern. Now I first take triangle, then square, two square, then again triangle, then two square, again triangle, again two square, or we can take 2 circle, 1 triangle, 1 square. 2 circle, 1 triangle, 1 square. Again 2 circle, 1 triangle, 1 square. We can make any pattern. I can give you 2 example only. Okay. Now question number 2. Make a pattern using different freehand shapes. Now we know the freehand shapes. Freehand shapes means like this, like this. We can take any freehand shapes. These are freehand shapes. We can take any freehand shapes to make a pattern. Let's make freehand shapes pattern. By using freehand shapes we make pattern. See, I take first one flower, then 2 leaves, then flower, again 2 leaves, flower, 2 leaf, flower, 2 leaves. Now we can make another pattern also. We use like this, then flower, then this. Again we can take this, then flower, then this shape. We can make any pattern. Circle, flower, 2 leaves. Circle, flower, 2 leaves. Circle, flower, 2 leaves. Again circle, flower, 2 leaves. Again circle, flower, 2 leaves. Understood? Freehand shapes means any shapes. Let's see question number 3. Complete the pattern given below. Now see pattern. Here 5 squares and on the sides there are 4 triangles, then 4 circles and diamond shape, and in diamond shape there is circle. Again this 5 square, 1 2 3 4 5, and again triangles, again diamond shape and 4 circles, again 5 square and triangles. Now after this the pattern is again diamond shape. In diamond there is circle, and on 4 sides 4 square. Now again have 5 rectangle, square, again triangle. We can complete the pattern. Now question number 4. Identify the geometrical shapes in the pattern above and using them create your own design. Now here we have to identify the geometrical shapes in the pattern and using them create your own design. Now say this triangle, this square, circle, this diamond shape. Now from these shapes we have to create your own design. Now first I will draw square. In the square I draw circle, then I draw triangle, and in the triangle I draw diamond shape. Then again I draw square, in square circle, again triangle, in the triangle I draw diamond shape. Again square, that circle, triangle, diamond shape. We can make your own design. I make design in this way. Understood? Now we see pattern in multiplication tables. In above examples we saw the pattern in geometrical shapes. Now pattern in multiplication table. Now see, this is look at the 9 times table. This is the table of 9. Note the sequence of number in the unit place of the table. Now this is unit place and this is tens place. We have to note the sequence of number in the unit place. Here 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 4 3 2 1 0. Means we have to write down here in backward numbers. See, these are backward number from 9 to 0. What is pattern? Do you see what is pattern? This in this unit place there is backward number from 9 to 0 in unit place. Now note the sequence of number in tens place of table. Now this is tenth place. In tens place there is sequence of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Means here write down forward number from 1 to 9, and here we are going to find the pattern in it. Find the pattern in it. We find the pattern at unit place. We write down backward number, and in tens place we write down forward number from 1 to 9. Now we solve exercise on page number 88. First example, look at the 5 times table. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. Find the pattern in the digits in the unit place. We have to find the pattern in digit at the unit place of this table. Is there is a pattern in the tens digit in this table? Now first we have to find the pattern in unit place. Now see at unit place 5 0 5 0 5 0. First write down here unit place pattern, unit place pattern. What is pattern? Unit place, first 5, then 0, again 5, then 0 5 0. Means in the table of 5 at unit place there is pattern of 5 0 5 0. Understood? Now in the tens place pattern, here in the tens place first 1 1 1, then 2 2, then 3 3, then 4 4, 5 5, 6 6, 7 7. Means at tens place also there is pattern. What is pattern? 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5, 6 6, 7 7, like this. Now see next example. See question number 2. Write the 10 times table. Look at the digit in the unit place of this table. What is pattern there? Now first we write down tens times table. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Look at the digit in the unit place. These are unit place of this table. What is pattern there? There is, what is pattern? 0. Unit place pattern. What is pattern? 0. Only 0 at the unit place. See, 0 0 0 0. Understood? Means there is pattern of only 0. Now example number 3. Write the 2 times table. Still 2 into 15 is equal to 30. Look at the digit in the unit place from 2 into 1 is equal to 2 up to 2 into 15 is equal to 30. Find the pattern. First we write down table. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 2 into 2 is equal to 6. Sorry, 3 is equal to 6. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. 2 into 7 is equal to 14. 2 into 8 is equal to 16. 2 into 9 is equal to 18. 2 into 10 is equal to 20. Now 2 into 11 is equal to 22. 2 into 12 is equal to 24. 2 into 13 is equal to 26. 2 into 14 is equal to 28. 2 into 15 is equal to 30. We write down the table from 2 into 1 is equal to 2 up to 2 into 15 is equal to 30. And we have to find out the pattern. Now we have to write down pattern. Now see here, first 2, then 4, 6, 8, then 0 at unit place, then again at unit place 2, means at 6 number there is again 2 repeated, then again 4, 6, 8, 0, again 2. See here again 2 repeated. In this example again 2 repeater, then again 0. There is pattern of 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Again 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Means here is pattern of 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Again 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Again 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. There is pattern of 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Means these digits are repeated. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means after 5 this pattern is repeated. Understood? Now see example number 4. Complete the multiplication given below. Find the pattern in the product. Now 6 ones are 6 and here write down 1, 0. 6 ones are 6, write down 2, 0. 6 ones are 6 and how many 0? 1, 2, 3. Now 6 ones are 6 and how many 0? 1, 2, 3, 4. Again here 7 ones are 7 and 1 0 here. 7 ones are 7, 2 0. 7 ones are 7, 1, 2, 3. 3 0 means 7,000. 700 7,000 and here 70,000. Means in this product there is a, see, same. If we multiply here tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000, and here 6 and here 7. Okay. See example number 5th. Multiply 37 by 3, 6, 9 up to 27 in that order. Observe the pattern in the product. Now we multiply 37 by 3 is equal to 111. Now multiply 37 by 6 is equal to 222. Multiply 37 by 9, 333. Means we can multiply 37 by 3 table. Then 37 multiplied by 12, 444. 37 multiplied by 15, 555. 37 multiplied by 18, 666. 37 multiplied by 21, 777. 37 multiplied by 24, 888. 37 multiplied by 27, 999. Now we do product here. And what is pattern here? See, here is pattern of 1 1 1, then 2 2 2, again 3 3 3, 4 4 4, 5 5 5. Means 1 2 3 4 5, 6 7 8 and 9. Here is pattern of these. Okay, thank you for watching the video.